Hey, what's going on, guys? Usually when I'm here at this place, I'm usually watching a race car because they actually build race cars right there in that garage. Let me show you real quick. See, that's the race car hauler right there. They usually have a lot of race cars in there. Some pretty cool stuff right there. All right, let's see what I'm cleaning up today. Hey man, you don't mind being on video, do you?
Nope.
Okay, cool.
Like
I kind of started a YouTube thing, so.
Well, I'm not really dressed for you.
Ah, it's all good, man. Oh, I didn't even know I have more cars over here. Oh wow,
Yeah.
Damn, this thing is nice.
It's a twin turbo, beautiful truck.
So what, like a C10 or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did he just get this thing?
He's had it probably a couple of weeks. He ain't never washed it. He's scared to wash it.
Yeah.
He don't want to mess the paint up.
Yeah, I got you. It's pretty filthy.
Right. Let's see, back it. You want to wash it outside and pull it back in here?
Hey, it's the first time I'm cleaning a GTR, guys. I'm surprised I haven't cleaned one before. Maybe I have. I forget. She is dirty though. Is this a brand new body style, man?
I think it's a year old.
Okay.
It had 1,400 miles on it when he bought it.
Oh man, this thing is clean though. The interior matches with the paint job. Yeah.
He bought it in Florida
Okay.
at a dealership and
I figured he drove it over here or
drove it
something.
1,500 miles back.
I figured, yeah.
He's got 3,000 miles on it.
You could tell by all the bugs in the front.
Yeah, he drove it back and he's drove it around. He's drove it to the gym a couple of times. That's about it.
Cool.
I think his plan is to get it wrapped and it'll leave eventually go get a mod or two. Yes, we got the bumper off. We just cut the back bumper down, sectioned it, and brought it in. That is at the chrome shop.
Okay.
We're gonna do the front bumper next, but I think he's gonna go to a car show here.
Pretty soon. And what do we have under the bay, you said?
It's an LS.
Okay, cool.
Turbo
Oh,
LS.
dude, that thing is nice.
But you know, it's dirty. He drives it,
Yeah, I mean,
so
it's still clean.
he enjoys it.
Yeah.
Everything here, you know, it gets driven. It's not a. It don't sit. Like I said, it's extremely dirty, but he enjoys it. He drives it. We just put the seat in yesterday. It had bucket seats, and we just changed it back to a bench seat.
Oh, dude, that's nice. Yeah, it looks a lot better, huh?
Well, he's a big guy, so
Yeah.
you know we mounted it, and then he still had issues, so we ended up just mounting the seat directly to the floor. We took
Okay.
all the brackets out and everything, and moved it back, and moved it as low as we possibly can. 'Cause
Okay,
he's
yeah,
a
that
big
makes
guy.
sense.
But,
Yeah, I seen him before. He's pretty tall too.
Yeah.
He's a tall dude.
But it's a cool truck.
Oh, for sure, man. It's real nice.
To the dyno the other day, and
Yeah.
lost the water pump, so we just put the water pump back on it, and we'll go back to the dyno Thursday, and then once it leaves the dyno, it'll go and get carpet put in it, and then it'll go to its new home.
Where's your car at, man?
It's on the back. I hit the wall the other day.
Oh, man.
Front clip will be in next week. I went ahead and put a set of rods in the motor. It had 46 hits on it. Usually I go to about 80 or 90 hits, but
Yeah.
since I had to do a front clip, firewall forward, I just went ahead and freshened the motor up. So I get the motor back next week, I get the front clip next week, and I'll start putting
Oh,
back-
man. I'm excited to see that car again, man. I remember I seen it run maybe 2 years ago at the No Prep. Last Street Kings.
I mean, it's running so much faster now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah, because you took the win 2 years ago, right?
yeah. I've won a couple small stuff, you know.
Yeah.
I dominate the small area.
Yeah.
You get around a bunch of people that ain't fast, and I look good.
Gotcha. Oh, man. This thing is sick.
It It is.
Oh wow, whose car is this?
This is the older gentleman.
Okay.
Named, Henry Hubbard. He has like 5 or 6 cars. It's beautiful.
Just by the seats and the interior, I could tell it's a race car.
No, I mean, it's overdrive.
Yeah.
It pump gas. It's about 900 horsepower.
Oh man.
Push the wrong button. Now, I mean, it's a tube chassis from here back.
Okay.
But it's like a touring car. It'll go down the highway. It'll drive us far as you want to drive it.
So basically, it's still fully functional. You can have fun with it.
All blows cold AC.
Oh, awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Now that's a beauty.
Yeah, we done everything here. Core support. We had to move the core support twice trying to get enough distance. And like I said, firewall back, it's all round tubing. Underneath is just as pretty as up top.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous underneath the car. But
Yeah, I
it's
can
very
imagine.
drivable. It's, you know, runs good. It's
I mean,
got
even-
overdrive, lock-up converter.
Even just the front end right here, dude, looks so pretty. You know.
Yep. Yep. It's a beautiful car. I wish I could show you underneath it. It's gorgeous.
Gotcha.
Everything is, you know, hand touched everything. Like this, we split this here,
Yeah.
split it here, split it here, brought all of it in and sucked it back, and we did the same thing on the back side of it. It's a beautiful car. It's a little dirty right now because we're in the middle of testing, but it's
Oh,
gorgeous.
she looks clean to me, man.
Yeah.
And I clean cars, so.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We got another 70 model truck that we're working on in the shop. It's a part right now, but when we're finished with it, hopefully late October, early November, we'll be done with it. It's going to be a beautiful truck.
Yeah.
It's a little shop, but we get a lot of neat shit done.
Oh yeah, for sure. Every time I come, like I'm impressed
You
with the
get car?
stuff.
Go move your car?
Yeah, yeah, I'll go move my car. Time I come over here, I'm impressed with the stuff you have over
Oh,
here.
yeah. We try. It's a little rough, but you can't really tell.
It's nothing but specialty work though.
Yeah, yeah. This truck here, you can't really tell, but it will. We got it all apart right now,
Yeah.
but it will be a beautiful truck. It's well on its way. We're waiting on a lot of parts right now. We'll get everything back together and we'll start assembling. Usually we try to do a project before it's painted,
Yeah.
but this one got painted and
Right.
got put together by another shop, and the guy was just horrified. So he brought it over, and he's spending all the same money he spent
Oh
the
wow.
first time all over again.
Oh man. Yeah, double work,
But,
double money.
You know, when it leaves here, it'll have a nice piece. It'll be drivable, reliable, and you know, everything we touch is usually pretty decent.
Yeah.
Heavy into brackets and heavy into detail work, so that's what we're doing. I took this job on. I never should have touched it, but
Oh really?
you know, it pays, so I guess.
Of course.
So we just built this rear end housing for this truck. We do all in-house work, all fabrication. Built the whole complete housing. Anyway, I know you need to get to work.
Nah, it's all good. I got some good. So that was Fabian we were talking to right now. Dude, he does a lot of awesome work with these cars. He does like all kinds of fabrication. He has a race car himself. It's like a no prep. It's like a Trans Am body, a Firebird formula, you know, it's a 4-gen. And he races it, and right now he said he's down. I wish I could get some video of that car. Maybe next time. Probably at the track. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this car. It's GTR, super mint. I'm stoked. I love the color on this car. Like I said, it's my first GTR, I believe. Let's get to it. So look at it one more time. The interior's not too bad. Just needs a good little vacuum. Wipe everything down. Put some dressing on there. Exterior's the only part I do kind of have to work on. Give it a good little wash. Use extra soap on this thing, which is no biggie. Just the only thing I gotta kind of work on is the bugs. I don't want to be too rough with it because If I'm too rough with the bugs, like if I use a bug sponge or something like that, which I'm not gonna do that, it's gonna end up like swirling it up with all the bug guts caked on there. So I'm gonna try to my best, use some type of degreaser to kind of slowly take them off, and a microfiber towel. See, I need my water hose. You know the owner of this place? He has like, I think he has like a construction business, cause they be out there and they be moving stuff, you know, like doing construction stuff. I don't know too much about construction, but that's what it looks like. This is an awesome spot. So much room for activities. What's going on, doggy? You got a new home right under that GTR. What's going on, doggy? You like the camera, don't you? Yeah, you know you do. Alright guys, just cleaned up the interior. Give it a good vacuum. Wiped everything down. Put a very light touch of conditioner. Because some people like conditioner, some people don't. By conditioner I mean dressing, you know, UV protection, whatever. I think my pressure wash is giving out. Uh-oh.
Get him, Mimi. He likes Fords, Mimi. Get him. He likes Fords. Get him. He's a Ford lover. Get him, Mimi.
Got some degreaser. And right away I start going at it. Alright, so there's still some spots here and there, but overall I got at least 80% of the bug guts. I want to say 90. 90 is a safe number. I'm gonna go back and hit a few areas, probably throw some more degreaser one more time, and then just hit it real quick and we should be good to go. I like using a microfiber because I have more sides to flip. So if the side starts getting dirty, I flip it over, to a certain point, you know, and then I rinse it off and put it back in the bucket and get some more suds. It's a gorgeous color. Beautiful car. Especially after, you know, some Freddy hands. Oh yeah. Some detailing. Cause she was rough. She was really dirty to be like that. Alright, so now that I'm done with the GTR, I got the okay to go ahead and just wipe this truck down. Give it a quick waterless wash and wipe down the engine bay a little bit. I mean, it's really not that dirty, it's just dusty. So just a good quick detailer with some spray wax. Just wrapped it up. Dust free for the most part. Kind of hard to get all in the engine bay, but as you can tell, it's looking very nice. Beautiful truck. Them billets do need a polish. They still look good, but they are in need of a quick little polish.